This is the video navigating to a report and making prompt selections in Cognos. In this video, we will discuss the folder navigation to view managed reports, as well as the prompt screen before the report viewer. To view a managed report, first click Team Content on the left navigation pane. A sliding pane will appear to the right. Every package you have access to is displayed in the form of a folder. In addition, all users have access to the Data Warehouse Status folder, which is where the last time information was updated from the institutional data warehouse can be found. Please be aware that the name of the folders may not match the exact name of the packages. For instance, the Student Records folder houses the reports for the Records Enrollment package. Note, there are a few folders within each package folder. Most users will use both the Dashboards and the Reports folders. For information about dashboards, view the video Introduction to Cognos. All managed reports, or reports that were created for a given package, are housed in the Reports folder, which is what we will be focusing on in this video. Now that I have clicked on the Reports folder, all the managed reports for this package are displayed in alphabetical order. Notice that the top of the pane now displays the folder path. To go back a folder, use these breadcrumbs. To be taken to a report, simply click on the report title. Before the report can run, prompt selections must be made from the prompt screen. The prompt selections act as filters, so only the information you wish to view is displayed. Every report's prompt screen is different depending on the purpose of that report. Let's discuss some of the different types of prompt selections you may make. The first prompt selection is Term. This report allows you to select historical terms as well as current and upcoming terms. Other prompt types may ask you to use a search box to find information you're interested in viewing. Notice there's an Options link below the search field that gives you some additional choices as it pertains to your search. After you have searched for your keywords, your search results will appear in the Results box on the left. Select the items you wish to view. You can select more than one item by using the Control key on your keyboard. Once you are happy with your selections, click the Insert button to move the selections to the Choice box on the right. Other prompt screens may have two pages, where you make selections on one page, then click the Next button on the bottom of the page. What appears on the second page will depend on your prompt selection on the first. Notice, when selecting from the Plan prompt, you will need to select both the actual plan for the students that have it listed as their primary plan, and also select the Added plans for students that have it listed as their second or third major in Campus Solutions. In this example, after I finish the selections in the first box, I will click the Reprompt button to populate the subplans in the box below. Notice that if I ever wish to select everything in a box, I can simply click the Select All link at the bottom. Once all prompt selections have been made, click the Finish button to run the report. After a minute, the report will open in the report viewer. This concludes the video navigating to a report and making prompt selections in Cognos. For additional information, visit the website at.illinoisstate.edu/EDA or email the Enterprise Data and Analytics team at eda@illinoisstate.edu. Thank you for viewing.